Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sarrinah and in today's video we are going to make this DIY miniature cactus plant with just paper. So let's begin. First you will be needing a circle shaped glue bottle. If you don't have a circle shaped glue bottle, you can also use a cream cap or something cylinder in shape at your home. So now we are going to cut the glue bottle in a small half for making the cactus plant's pot. So I have already marked my line where I'm going to cut. So now we have the glue bottle. We have our bottle cut into a small half. Let's move on to the next step. Now we need a rectangle piece of paper for making the cactus, and we're going to fold it into a half like this, and you'll be needing 11 like this. Now we have all the 12 pieces, including the one which we made just now includes 12. So yeah, let's move on to the next to make this cactus. So now we are going to make it the leaves. So if you want to make it into this shape, you can also make it, or if you want to make it into a circle, you can also make it. It's optional. Draw the cactus, the shape that we want. So this is going to be my shape. I know it's uneven, but later on I'll just fix it up and I'll meet you guys. And next you will be needing to cut it out and do the same thing with the 12 of them. 11 of them. You can see I have cut it all my pieces, and an easy way to do is to stick 2 pieces together to make your work more easier. Let's glue it all. We're going to glue it. So we're going to take one of the piece and you're going to put your glue, and then you're going to stick it together like this, and then repeat this step with all of them. Done gluing all the pieces together. Now is the time to complete it. So as you can see, you should get something like this on your back side, and then you're going to just glue it like this. So now it's the time to glue, and add glue in the end. Like this. And then what you're going to do is you're going to fold it together like this and leave it to dry. Now it's the time to glue both of them together. If you want, you can use a double-sided tape, but I'm going to be using hot glue gun. And now it's the time to glue. So if you're using hot glue gun, please be careful that you don't put it on your hand. So apply the hot glue gun, and then you're going to stick it together. Make sure it's in the middle. There we go. Optional. If you want to add a small rhinestone on top, you can also add to just give it a little bit of cuteness on top. If you don't know why I'm putting rhinestone, I'm just going to put it make it look like a flower. I'm going to add my rhinestone on top. I'm using a light pink, baby pink color, but if you want, you can also use another color if you want. There we go. Now it's come to the end of my video, and my cactus is done. So I hope you guys liked my video and find it easy to make. So don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and follow me on Instagram. If you have any doubts, please leave it in the comment section below or DM me. Bye!